using the YouTube maximum here, and you are about to find out what we are playing today. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna be playing the Meat Fitter. Got little Maximum here with the headphones. I'm just saving up. I only need 50 more coins or less. But I'm not gonna. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go fishing. Okay, I'm going in the middle of the fishing people because yeah, I got a golden fishing rod. I don't think it actually does anything except for that it looks way better. Hit the dumpster, I got you ready. I'll be right back when I got a little bit more coins. I know. Be right back with you. I'm just going to sell my fish right now. Be right back. Guys, this is the moment. Saw you. Just locked up in that box. I'm gonna go get it. Teleport to your escape. Hope this works. Mine's awesome cause I got a big house. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, this is living room. This is a bedroom. This is a bathroom. Just let me out. This is a kitchen. That's all I want it to be. This is a bedroom. And then this is my Meat's little hideout thing. I'm gonna start on the living room. Okay, yes. My Doja TV. Oh, it's the same. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, I'll be right back when I got everything organized. Okay, guys. Wait a second. Okay, guys. Are you ready to come in and see my house? It loads. I just saw it now. Yeah. The basic lounge where, like, you come in, sit down on the couch. Huh? The basic lounge, and it's where you come in, you sit down. It's like the living room. That's what it is. Guess this is like the kid guest bedroom. And here is the bathroom. Oops, did not mean to do that. Let me help. The kitchen. There's like a kid chair, 3 grown-up ones. Fridge, sink, and stuff. Paper towels, if you can see it. And I just love my house. Like, it's bigger. Dodgeball. Whatever that poster was from. Get Ant thing. A random person. And then the best of all. I love my bed. My computer desk. The music. Beanbag chair. I got my dresser or whatever you want to call it. A shelf. And this is my little cute little girl meat thing. Okay, bye. Yeah, that's basically it. Is there anything on except for Doge? Yeah. Let's explore. Ooh, the breaking news. Congressman Gabriel Giffords was shot Saturday at a police rally. 13 injured and dead, including a federal judge. Dodgeball. Wait, look at that. Wheel of Fortune, created by Alex Neutral. Oh, I know what's next. Oh, no. Grumpy Cat's after this. See, Grumpy Cat's next. Oh, wait. You'll never catch me alive, cops. Breaking news. Programmer in wild car chase driver and identified as local game programmer on Shields. Grumpy Cat, and then Doge, my favorite channel. I'm sorry, Doge, I shouldn't have changed the channel. You're my favorite. Sit down. TV. Ha ha ha, look at that. just walking around. He's sitting there staring at you. Okay, well that's about it for this video. Wait. Hi? Okay, that's about it for this video.